Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of KakaoTalk with good settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about KakaoTalk. Then here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.